Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And today, hey, I am at Walter Hill Dam. First time being here. Look at this. You have to see this in person. It's really amazing. Okay. Look, I got a new kayak. It's cool. Don't worry, I'm not gonna flood y'all with kayak videos. Okay. It's gonna be the same old stuff. Maybe once a month, twice a month, I'm gonna go kayaking. I got my friend Richard with me from Better Days Fishing, so check out his channel. He does like crazy kayak shit, you know. So I may die today, so I don't know. Anyways, see how many fish we catch. You're gonna have to go over here. First fish, guys. First fish. First fish, guys. First fish. Damn, first cast. Little guy, but hey, we're gonna catch probably 100 of them guys. Yeah, yeah. Little feisty bluegill. Lots of bluegills in here. Yeah. I thought it'd be a little bass, but fish number 3. There we go. Check out that trophy. Yes. Yes. Might just have us a trophy fish here, guys. Rock bass. Smashed it. Oh, he's gonna be close. He is gonna be a close one right here. Check it out, guys. 9 inches. 9-inch rock bass, guys. 1 inch away from trophy. Rut row. Watch out for that tree. Watch out for that tree. Georgia of the jungle. Watch out for that tree. Watch out for that tree. Got him a beautiful spotted bass. This is a spotted bass. It's beautiful. There was one following it too, bigger. Hang on, guy. Hang on, dude. Check this spotted bass out. He is so pretty. Check him out. Little guy, but hey. There was one following it that was bigger, trying to eat what he had. Hold still, little buddy. Hold still, little buddy. Bluegill number 1000. Nice scenery. Looks like there's a cave right back in there. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I guess I should be fishing it, huh? Oh, slow. Hold down. Hold on, little buddy. The bluegill. Man, I'm up in this tree. I'm gonna try to catch a big bluegill. There we go. Got some. What I got? Another bluegill. Hey, Mr. Bluegill. Oh, buddy. Buddy. But, ow, son of a... He got me. Yeah, I know, buddy. That's the first signs of life I've seen in this place. There we go. Largemouth. There we go, guys. First signs of life in this place. Caught just about every kind of fish in this thing. A little largemouth. There's a school of bait fish right there. They're sitting over eating them. And I just got lucky. See? Right, we finally made it back. Finally made it back. Alright guys, it's pretty fun trip, I guess. It's a lot of paddling though, which I hated. But it was alright. We caught some fish. Pretty fun. It was a long trip. I think it was about 7 miles. And I ended up catching 12 fish. I'm not sure how many better days caught. But it was a really slow day. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. My first trip in my kayak.